Dating can feel like a performance, which can be off-putting for introverts who want deep and genuine connection. Dating in online swipe culture can feel especially challenging for us introverts, offered our characters. And dating's never easy anyhow, with or without an app, although there are some great ones out there, including ones based on your Myers-Briggs personality type. Numerous introverts, myself consisted of, feel the pressure to minimize descriptions of ourselves into cool, compact, and self-marketing little bundles. We may likewise feel dissuaded from being our authentic selves and experiencing our usual human variety of feelings. In essence, dating can feel like an efficiency. Like all individuals, however, we are deserving of love and connection. Here are some things to bear in mind for any introvert browsing the world of contemporary dating. Come prepared with excellent questions. Frequently during first date conversations, individuals are merely responding more than truly responding, although many concepts, specifically more complex ones, take time to process. To avoid this, come prepared with questions that you think might result in fascinating conversations. After all, we introverts love to prepare and believe before we speak. That way, you can go from small talk to deep talk. For example, if they're a preschool instructor, ask something like, "What's something your kids did today that made you laugh?" Or if they posted photos with their cat, you can say, "What's Alistair's quirkiest practice?" Or if they lived abroad, attempt, "I'm curious to find out about the food over there. I'm such a foodie." Asking particular questions likewise shows that you have actually taken note of their profile and or what they have actually shared with you prior to meeting. So have your questions ready in the back of your mind so that you're not simply defaulting to programmed fallbacks or a generic script when the conversation reaches a lull. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.